Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's quick tutorial is on how to add events to your WordPress website. We're using the Events Calendar plugin for this because it's the most popular choice for tech and software sites. The steps are logically connected to get your schedule live in seconds. First, after you've installed and activated the plugin, look at the far left menu bar. Click on Events and then Add Event. This opens the event editor where the steps relate directly to your listing's appearance. Step A is all about the content. Add your event title as the main heading and then write a detailed description in the box below. This text will appear at the bottom of the event page once it's published. Step B is the timing. Scroll down to the time and date section to select your start and end dates, along with the specific start and finish times. Step C is the location. Fill out the venue name and address. Make sure the map on the right looks correct, as this will display a live Google map for your visitors. Finally, step D is the launch. Once you're happy with all the details, hit the Publish button on the right. Your event will now be visible on your site's dedicated events page immediately. That is literally it. If this quick guide helped you get your calendar organized, please smash that like button and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tech tutorials. Drop a comment below if you want to see how to sell tickets for these events next, and I will see you in the next video.